Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use sum and average function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a student data. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the sum. And select the range of data, bracket closed and enter. Here the sum amount is calculated. You can use here the shortcut key for sum, alt is equal to and just press the enter. Here the sum amount is calculated. For average is equal to average, just enter the average and select the range of data and bracket closed and enter. Here the average amount is calculated. Okay. The second way, simply select the cell, go to the home tab. In editing, have a function icon. Just click on this arrow and click on the sum. You can see here the average is automatically selected with the sum function. Press the enter key and that's it. And for average, simply select the cell, go to the home tab. In editing group, click on this function icon and click on the average. You can see here the average function with the range of selection. Just press the enter key. Here the average amount is calculated. And the third way, simply select the cell, go to the formulas tab and click on the insert function option. In insert function, search for a function, enter here this function those you want to search and click on the go. And here the sum function is search. Simply select the function those you want and click on OK. And here the function argument for sum function dialog box is open. First, the numbers, select the range of data, just click on this arrow and select the range of data. Again, click on this arrow and here the range is selected. With the data preview also you can check here. Okay. After that, just click on the OK and here you can see the sum amount is calculated. Same for the average. Click on the insert function. You can search here the average. Click on OK, all average function your search. Select the average those you want and click on OK. Same, the function arguments dialog box is open for average. Click on this arrow, select the range of data. Click on this arrow again and you can check here the result. So see, the 75 is average amount. Okay, just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the average amount is calculated. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.